back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how I China bump, Bantu knot, whatever you want to call it. So please be sure to keep on watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment below what videos, hair videos, tutorials, mukbangs, whatever you want to see down below. So hey guys, before we get into the video, I did want to shout out By Our Cosmetics. I'll put their information in the description box below. They sent me a beautiful, this is the package, it's beautiful. They sent me this eyeshadow palette that I opened already and I was excited, but I decided I'll just show you guys again. So when you open it from the plastic, it's beautiful. It says open bar by Our Cosmetics. So you take it out of the box. And this is how it looks. It's so cute. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Look at these colors. It's so beautiful. So there's tons of colors on here that you can choose from. I'm not really brave with colors, but definitely with this palette, I'm going to get my eyeshadow game popping. I haven't been wearing makeup in a long time, so I really just want to take a gold. I'm gonna take this gold right here, put on my eyelid. I could go get my makeup brushes, but like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup in a long time. Ooh, I like this gold though. It's popping. Wow, y'all, this thing is pigmented. Okay. It's making me want to do a whole fill face, but so yeah guys, this is, I want to do a whole cut crease and all that, but maybe I'll do a full video on using this eyeshadow. Their website to shop down below in the description box. Thank you so much By Our Cosmetics for sending me this palette. I'm super excited to use this in the future, so thank you guys, and let's get on with this video. you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in Saturday's video. Bye.